Hi everyone, Agustin here. Welcome to Wigs Philippines, the original. Of course, I'm your wig maker, Agustin. So today, I'm going to give you a wig demo of our newly finished wig, which is this one. This is for Miss Alicia. Hi Miss Alicia, if you're watching, this is the wig. So nakat ko na siya and I love it. It's layered. It's so beautiful. Alam niyo naman, yung previous video hanggang dito siya, but now we cut it. And just give it a little wave here, but yung hair texture niya is silky straight. So after washing, bagsak na bagsak siya. But for now, I gave it a little wave at the ends para mas makita niyo yung mga layers na nilagay natin. Yan, no? And of course, let's try it on. By the way, this one is in a fixed parting. If you wanted to save money and if you're a practical person na hindi naman palipat-lipat yung parting, you can choose a fixed parting. This one is fixed parted on the right side. So, on your right. Alright, so there it is. So, let's try it on. So, ito siya. Fixed parting siya dito. So, instead of full lace, dito lang siya. Ayan siya. Okay. So, let's try it on. I don't like wearing wig cap, so wala tayong wig cap for this video. Ang nipis ng buhok ko. Let's try to make this work. Whew. Okay, so first things first, makikita niyo yung disadvantage ng wig na to, which is ito. This one is the excess, or should I say this part is the hair wefts area. Kasi ito lang yung ating lace part. But of course, you can hide that. So grabe, no? What kind of wig review this is? Pinakita agad yung downside or yung pangit sa wig na to. Ayan siya. So you just need to cover it with this. By the way, may excess lace pa tayo. You just need to cut it off. But as you could see, it does blend with my skin. Kahit nandyan pa. But when you cut it off, mas natural siya. So, since again, this one is in fixed parting, so, ganyan lang. Flat niya lang siya. Ayan. Ganyan lang. Hindi na siya makikita. Ayan. And there. Diba? So, here's the whole hair. Some brush. Okay. I'm using a paddle brush. So, usually, when it comes to combing, I like combing it at the ends first para ma-detangle natin lahat ng tangle hair. Yan, no? Paddle brush. So, lahat ng hair nasa face ko na. This one is color brown. Grabe, it looks so nice. Ayan, so as you could see again, dito lang siya, fixed parting. But yung ito nga lang yung ating downside. Ayun. Pero hindi siya nakikita basta-basta. I just need to hide it. And if ever na you're going to tuck it behind your ear, if wala ka talagang hair, you just need to learn how to do this. I mean, ganyanin natin. And then just do a little eme here. So, I have one of my clients na talaga ang galing niya magganito. Yung parang natural lang. But majority of my clients talaga nag-iiwan ng hair dito if they want to tuck their hair behind their ear. Ayan. And here at the other side, you can also tuck it. And just, yan, ganyan lang if you want to tuck it behind your ear. So, I'll show you that back. Super flat. Very natural look. Yung density natin, natural density lang. Again, this is a wig. Madali bang matanggal? That's the question. Always the question. No, it's not going anywhere. Talagang nandyan siya sa ulo ninyo. And it does gives more volume nung nag-head toss ako. And of course, you can just use your fingers since this one is a silky straight hair texture. So, gaganda ulit siya. Ayan lang. So, Miss Alicia, this one is very beautiful. I'm pretty sure going to conquer each day with a smile. Ang ganda, Miss Alicia. I'm very, very excited na magamit mo to. Ayan o, it looks very healthy. And yeah, it just looks beautiful. Color brown siya. Ayan o. Wow. It's just so beautiful. I love it so much. Alright, so there you have it, Miss Alicia. Thank you so much for the trust. I know medyo matagal yung ating paggawa ng wig, but I can guarantee to you na super magiging happy ka dito sa wig na to.